Hello, what's going on, guys? And what is this? Let me get out of this. Sorry about that, guys. So, what's going on, guys? Today is still May 31st. This is gonna be the third video that I'm putting out for today, third and final, because it's the final trade that I did today. I'm kind of disappointed in how this trade ended, and yeah, this is a part of being a trader, right? Like you have these things. This was a completely terrible. This is an example of what you guys should not be doing in the markets at all, with at all causes. This was really bad trade. But I'm still gonna show you guys because again, there's value in mistakes, right? You guys should be learning from other people's mistakes instead of making your own mistakes over and over. Um, and yeah, I obviously I don't want to make mistakes when I'm trading because when you make mistakes, that's costly when you're trading. And I'm gonna do better, but this is kind of what ended up happening today. Oh dang, I'm just now looking at. Yeah, guys. So, if you guys are interested in trading options, or if you guys are interested in finance in general, right? Just not options, like even like budgeting and stuff like that. I'm gonna put a lot of videos, a lot of educational videos on here. Just basically teaching people, around my age group or older than me or whatever, whoever's interested in like re winding their head on education, because I feel like education is the main thing, the main component that keeps different, like the middle class separated from the upper class and the lower class, stuff like that. And especially in this economy, the divide gets wider and wider and wider as the day goes. Um, and everything's going to trash. And so this is one of the ways. There's multiple ways to kind of reach your goals in a quicker manner, other than like having a job and stuff like that. Having a job is okay. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just you know different methods, and like everybody has different goals and stuff like that. So this is what I'm doing, and um, you know, real estate and other things that's going to be shown on this channel. So if you guys are interested, um, yeah, stay tuned till the end. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this video. And without any further ado, we're going to get right into it. So today, I guess my notification had popped up for Meta um, at these levels, and it was pulled back. Either that, or I was just going through my stocks, looking at a good potential. Obviously, I ended up not doing so well on this, but I'm going to go ahead and explain it. So we're going to 1 minute chart since I was day trading this. Dang, this kind of sucks. Like it brings back. I really don't need this. I don't even know why I have this on here. Um, just brings back memories of how painful today was. So let's get into it. Basically, we ended up opening here. I don't like making any trades until after 10:30. Um, so what happened? Again, I was way early, bro. If I would have just waited until, see, this is why it's good to do reviews. If I would have just waited until 10:30, I would have been at the bottom. If I would have got in down here, and at least like we're going sideways. So when you're trading, guys, there's only three ways a stock could go. It could go up, it could go down, or it could go sideways. Right? Those are the only three ways a stock can go. Those are probabilities right there. Divide that by 100. Those are your probabilities, right? Um, so on the 5 minute chart, we did make like right over here when this popped up on a 5 minute chart. If I would have, okay, one, I'm trading against the trend, which is a no go. If you guys saw my other video, I'm telling you guys, like, we're trading below VWAP, and you know, price is moving down. Even previous days, price was moving down. And again, hindsight is 2020, but that shouldn't be even an excuse. I'm just disgusted. I am disgusted at this trade. Just looking at it like I want to barf right now. Um, so we pull down to begin the day. We pull down here at around 10. It looked like it was going to reverse. Obviously, it didn't. But on the 5-minute chart, that's what I wanted to show you guys. This is what it looked like. Oh, snap. Excuse me. Didn't mean to do that. See, this is what it looked like. So, honestly, I could have done this, right? Could have drawn a zone right here because, at this point in time, right, Price agreed that they did not want to go there. They even like look, you can see the wick down here. So it even agreed, but because of the overall market, like a lot of different stocks today were just down, right? Overall market, like early today, I mean, they ended up okay at the end of the day, but earlier in the day, a lot of stocks were just moving down. So look at the overall market. I should have looked at that for as a data point, confluence point. So that was wrong. Stuff that I did wrong with this trade is again, I was trying to make a call. I saw this. I was like, okay, maybe we're getting ready for a reversal. Honestly, if we were getting ready for a reversal, um, I should have just waited for it to maybe come right here, hit VWAP, or even if it goes above, wait for it, and then get into puts, right? Because then at least at that point, what I'm doing is I'm trading with trend. If trend is price is moving down, I'm trading down. I'm trading down with the trend, right? That's not what I did. I traded up instead of, I traded up here instead of trading down. So no calls. I should have done puts. So that was my mistake. That was my first mistake. My second mistake was thinking that this was a reversal area. Now, let's go back to the 1-minute chart. So, if we go on the 1-minute chart here, I had my stop just below these wicks that bottomed out, which kind of makes sense, right? If we go below this point, then I should know that okay, at this point it makes no more sense. Like if we go below here, it makes no sense for me to stay in because we're confirming that we want to move lower. Price, it like buyers would step it. Buyers for puts would step in here to move lower. So it does not make sense for me to stay in this at this level. But kind of like what ended up happening. Uh-oh. Let's see. Let's see if we can get back to where we need to get to. So let me zoom in real good so y'all can see this. So kind of what ended up happening here was that um, yes, it moved. What I should have done is as soon as this candle closed below this line, I should have just got out. That would have saved me a lot. But the next candle started pushing up and then it closed up. And then the next candle, we see this wick kind of moved up. And so my thought was, okay, maybe we're reversing here. which is no. That's something that we shouldn't be doing. We should not be doing that at all. As soon as this closed below, and I get it again, like I'm a real person on the other side. Um, this is a lot of psychology and stuff. My main objective here should be getting out. Why? Because price closed below my preset stop loss. This is where I set my stop loss. Okay, cool. Maybe I could have set it right here and waited for this candle to close. But regardless, this right here, this right here is the area that I should be getting out. Right here. Somewhere right here is where I should be getting out of this play. At the least. Right? It would be nice if I would have got out here, but again, we had um, we had probability was higher for it to go up here, right? There was still good probability here for it to go up. No probability. Why? Because we're looking at over here. Now this is just my thought process, right? Um, that's why I should be getting out because we're looking at what happened in the past. If it continues to happen, we're trending down. We're trending with where prices continue moving with the trend. It hasn't resisted, even though like I kind of saw RSI down here. You know, here we're at another low. It was crazy. It was crazy today. Like a bad day overall. Um, yeah, I'm racing a lot of shit. Um, so yeah, guys, that's basically what happened. That was the only trade I traded with this stock. The good news is I had great risk management, like my overall account size. So it put some dent, way more than it should have been. Especially like I'm not trading futures or anything like that. I'm trading options. So theta decay is gonna be hurting me on this trade. Oh damn, this was the wrong guys. This is wrong right here. It should be this. That's no. Should be this. This is what I was doing. Should have got out right here. Ended up getting out right here. So took a big loss. Um, it wasn't my entire account or anything like that. So not really tripping. Again, lesson learned. You guys should be learning this lesson. If this video was of any value, how to not take a loss in the stock market, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to be putting out like these videos pretty much daily unless I go on a vacation or I have something emergency happen. But I'm going to be putting out like my reviews every single day, so that way we're all kind of learning. I know there's a lot of bullshit on YouTube, right? But at least this is like less of bullshit. People who are interested, if you guys are interested in basics, market mechanics, stuff like that, I can upload videos on that. I've been trading consistently now for about 8 months, up and down, starting to like level out. Hopefully, June is a great month. Today is May 31st, so we're still getting to it. Um, and yeah, if you guys like this, make sure you share this, subscribe so you guys can get notified or you can see me at least on your feed every now and then and just, pop pop in on Ninja, right? Um, yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. So, peace out.